Thousands were feared trapped under the rubble and more than 100 feared dead after a powerful earthquake hit the impoverished country of Haiti. The tremors toppled the presidential palace and other critical government buildings, raising fears of substantial casualties. One witness called it a major disaster. The 7.0 intensity quake was centered about 10 miles west of the capital, Port-au-Prince, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The USGS reported it was followed by numerous aftershocks, one with a 5.9 intensity. The ground shook for more than a minute, followed by two aftershocks just minutes later. Haitian officials say the quake caused a catastrophe of major proportions. Rescue teams were recovering dead bodies and the injured from the collapsed buildings in Port-au-Prince, as the capital is without electricity. France was preparing to dispatch aid to the former French colony. The United States also pledged both military and civilian aid to the Caribbean state.
We will be providing both civilian and military disaster relief and humanitarian assistance, and our prayers are with the people who have suffered, their families, and their loved ones.
Haiti is the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere and has a history of destructive natural disasters. The quake, followed by aftershocks, prompted a tsunami watch for parts of the Caribbean, but this was later cancelled. Fakir Iqtidar, DawnNews.